Money Gang, what's up? This your boy Money Man, Latrent Hill. How y'all doing? Y'all don't know who I am. My name's Latrent Hill, of course. I'm here to show y'all how to make money online. All right, today we're gonna talk about $25 1up. Yep, 1up. Is it a scam and how you get started? What exactly is in $25 1up? I'm gonna show you everything on the website so you can see exactly what you're getting into if you decide to go and start with $25 1up, okay? So is it a scam? No. Okay, now that we got that out the way, let's check on the computer and see how we get started. All right, gang, we back, man. Okay, so as you can see, this is the back office that you will see today. See, I got the other computer right here. So as we take a look, let's load this back up. So as you can see, this is the dashboard. Today I've got 11 page views, two emails sent, 12 contacts, and 0 referrals today. I'm not tripping about that. You know, it's only 118. So as you can see, I am on the platinum level, which is the $100 level. And it's pretty simple. All you do is you click this step 1, step 2, then step 3. Or you can watch the video to get started. It's that easy. As you can see, people are signing up down here and people are constantly making money. I mean, I don't know what to tell you guys. It's pretty simple. There goes another one right there. Go to my products. As you can see, I'm on a platinum level, and this is going to show you all the training. As we let that load up. Okay, so on a platinum level, this is the $100 level. You get Facebook training, YouTube training, and Instagram training. Come on, guys. You get all the training in the system. At the gold level, you're gonna get even more training. Well, this is a gold level, $25 level, and a platinum level is the $100 level. So this is the $25 level. You get pre-written ads, ad copy cheat sheet, Facebook group, $25 mindset, all these trainings. And you also gonna get the other system training as well. Let these load up. Yeah, so you're gonna get all this training, man. So much training. So, and then you also get the mindset motivation. Okay, so that's as far as the training. Then you'll be able to get your own funnel pages where, like I said, this system basically does all the work for you. You know, you're signing up, it is just a 1up level, and this gives you all the levels. Oh, I'm sorry, not level, all the landing pages that you can pick from. Literally, you just pick a landing page, they put in the info, they watch the video, and then they sign up. And then they sign up and make an account. Okay? And give you all the videos. See, somebody else signed up. I mean, come on, man. People are signing up left and right. And then we can check the leaderboard. I'm not on the leaderboard. Another $25 right there. But I will be. I speak things into existence. Let's check this leaderboard. Somebody special's on this leaderboard that I look up to a lot. All right, we go back. We're going to check the leaderboards right now. All right, so my mentors on here. Yeah, man, this dude's awesome, killing the game. Shout out to JB. Waiting on this to load up. As you can see, my man is right there. Number 3 in the last 30 days. Number 2 in the last 7. Shout out to my man. Like I said, I'm going to be on this list very, very soon. Okay? So we go back to the dashboard. Like I said, super easy. All the training, everything you need to explain is in here. All you have to do is go out and go to do the research for that. Once again, this is a 1up opportunity, so I'm gonna explain that to you guys again. So yeah, basically, if you sign up under the $100 level, you sign somebody up, you get that $100. Then you sign somebody else up, it goes to your sponsor. Then after that, you get unlimited $100, depending on if they all sign up on the $100 level. And then whoever they sign up, your person you sign up, whoever they sign up, their first $100 goes to them, and the second one goes to you. So it's unlimited residual income coming in for you, and you can really turn this into a full full-time income if you choose. The same thing with 25. But of course, you can opt in for the $250 one and the $500 level. But to get started, I definitely recommend the hosting fee, then the gold and the platinum, okay? Link be in the description. You guys ready to get started? This your boy, the Money Man. Y'all be easy. Peace.